The Ninja Professional Plus Blender BN701 is designed for people who want strong blending power and simple controls in the kitchen. It comes with a modern design and a powerful 1400-watt motor that delivers professional-level performance. Right from the start, this blender shows that it is built to handle tough ingredients with ease. Whether someone wants to prepare a quick breakfast smoothie or a refreshing frozen drink, this machine is made to simplify the process. In addition, its sleek dark gray finish gives it a stylish appearance that fits well in most modern kitchens. Many home cooks appreciate appliances that combine both performance and convenience. Because of that, this blender quickly becomes a practical tool for everyday use. One of the most impressive features of the Ninja Professional Plus blender is its total crushing blade technology. These stacked blades are specially designed to crush ice quickly and efficiently. As a result, smoothies become smoother and frozen drinks gain that perfect icy texture. Even hard ingredients like ice cubes or frozen fruits are processed in seconds. This level of power makes the blender ideal for smoothies, milkshakes, frozen cocktails, and even homemade ice cream. Furthermore, the strong 1400-watt motor provides consistent blending without slowing down. Because of this, users can enjoy reliable performance every time they prepare a drink. Overall, the combination of powerful blades and high wattage makes this blender stand out in its category. Another helpful feature is the Auto IQ technology, which makes blending incredibly simple. Instead of manually adjusting settings, users can rely on 3 preset programs. These programs are designed specifically for smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream. With just the press of a button, the blender automatically runs a sequence of pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. This intelligent process removes the guesswork from drink preparation. As a result, beginners and experienced users alike can create great results with minimal effort. In addition, the large 72-ounce total crushing pitcher allows users to make big batches for the whole family. This means fewer blending sessions and more convenience when preparing drinks for guests or family gatherings. Cleaning and usability are also major advantages of this blender. The pitcher is BPA-free and designed to be dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup quick and easy. Simply place the pitcher and blade assembly on the top rack of the dishwasher and the job is done. Moreover, the blender comes with a helpful 15-recipe inspiration guide. This guide gives users creative ideas for smoothies, frozen drinks, and desserts. Inside the box, buyers will find the 1400-watt motor base, the 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, the stacked blade assembly, a lid, and the instruction guides. Altogether, the Ninja Professional Plus blender offers power, versatility, and convenience in one complete package. For anyone looking for a reliable blender capable of handling tough ingredients and large batches, this model is certainly worth considering.